Hello friend, welcome back to my new lecture on JDBC database connectivity. So previously I have discussed about different fact of JDBC database connectivity. So today I am discussing about the metadata. So metadata is a very important part of this database connectivity. So you can see here metadata means data about data. Data about your own data like number of rows and number of column, row name, column name. We can extract all these information retrieved through metadata. So we require result set metadata class for finding these data about data. So you can see here we will start the program by import java.sql.star. So I will be in small letter. So import java.sql.star. So for all database connectivity we require java.sql.star, and test metadata is the name of class, and inside this class we have public static void main string args through exception SQL exception. Hmm. So you can see here the exception here. And we can write the name of exception accordingly. So suppose we are using here SQL exception, so we will mention here through SQL exception, SQL exception. So accordingly we will write the name of exception. In case of exception class, we have to mention here all the character, all the word in capitalized, in this capitalized form. So this is SQL exception, and inside this we are writing here try block and catch block, and then we are writing the first statement class.form name oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. So this is Oracle driver, and then we are writing here connection C equals to driver manager dot get connection, and by using this statement we are establishing the connection, and again we are writing here prepared statement PS. So prepared statement also uh, another class. So using the prepare statement we can use the different data manipulation query like create, delete, insert, as well as select query. So we can mention all different queries by using the prepared statement. So prepared statement, its object is PS equals to connection. Already we have mentioned here connection C. So we have to write here C dot prepared statement. This is not CON. This is C dot prepared statement. And then we have mentioned here select asterisk from table name. Suppose the name of table is ABC. So select asterisk from ABC. We are writing here. So this is under prepared statement. Prepared statement is the name of class, and C dot prepared statement by using this statement uh, again. So this is prepared statement PS equals to this one, and now we will write here PS dot execute query. So PS is the object of prepared statement. So we will mention here PS because inside the PS object we have this query, the reference of this select ST from ABC query. So we will write here ps dot execute query. So by writing this ps dot execute query, we will execute this query and we will extract all the data, and this data is transferred to the result set rs. And again we have this statement rs dot get metadata. So rs dot get metadata, by using this function get metadata function we will extract the data about the data and data information of the different data of the result set rs. So inside the rs we have complete query, and when we will return these information, so we require result set metadata. In the previous programs we are only using result set, but here we are using result set metadata, and its object is r. So r dot get column count. So this is the second statement. Suppose we have to find the different column of the table of this abc table. So we can write here r dot get column count. So suppose in the table we have 15, we have 5 columns, so it will return 5 different columns. So and column name, so it will return the name of each column. So means field of the table. So r dot get column name, or which column? Column number 1. So it will return the name of column number 1. R dot get column name. So then it will return the name of column number 1, and it will display column name of the first column and its type. Suppose we want to type of that particular column, then we'll write here statement column name of column 1. So column type name. So we will mention here column type name. So r dot get column type name. So we will mention here column type name. Column type name of column 1, then it will return the value of first column. So accordingly we can return all these values. Same way we can return the value of attributes of row also and table also. So these are the data about data. This is metadata. So there are many functions of metadata. So accordingly, as per your requirement, you can use these functions. So finally, we'll close the connection. C dot close we have mentioned here. So we are closing the connection by C dot close, and this is catch exception, and this is catch in case of any error. If any exception generates here, then it move to the catch exception, and accordingly it will display the message. So you can see in the previous program where we are using only prepared statement. Here the same program we have been we are using this class dot for name. Through this statement we are loading the driver. You can see in the same statement written here also. And the second statement is connection statement. You can see the previous one also, connection C equals to driver manager dot get connection. This is connection string and username and password. And then we are using the prepared statement. In this case, we have mentioned prepared statement inside the argument of this get connection, driver manager dot get connection function. But here, here we are using driver manager dot get connection. We are writing here this connection string username and password. And prepared statement we are separately mentioning prepared statement. So prepared statement pst equals to c dot prepared statement and insert into table name value this, and we are mentioning the value for first value set string. First, in the first field we are mentioning Amit, and the second field we are mentioning 192. So these are the two values for two different fields. And finally we will use pst.execute update. By using this statement we will update, the execute update. By using execute update we will insert the values, these user input values. Means we can also mention here, we have directly mentioned here the information, but we can write here the text box name. Suppose we have been two different text boxes, so text1 dot text, so we mention here text1 dot text. So accordingly this is the success message and this is the closing of the connection. So this is the program. Same way we have mentioned two programs. So these are two different statements. So in case suppose we have to write the connection string, we have to accordingly we have to design this program. So we will write it in separately. So this will be separate statement. Prepared statement is the separate statement, and then will not close two bracket. So this will be like that. This is connection dot prepare statement, connection dot prepare statement, and then we have the query, and this ps dot execute query we are mentioned here. And accordingly you can see here you have to mention the connection string also here. So this connection string we will mention over this driver manager statement. So this will be like that. So you can see here now. So we have single bracket and this connection string is accordingly given this way. So this is username and this is password. We are connecting with the Oracle. It is written in the Oracle. So this is the program. So this way we can write the program. So basically this is program for metadata, and we can extract the column count here, and we are extracting column name and column type. So basically this is for data about data, the information of the data, information of the field, which type of the field, which type of the data type of the field. So all the information we can get by this statement. And get metadata method is used uh, for all this. And result set metadata is the name of class. So guys, thank you very much.